Alhamdulillah. So we're here today in the morning of Jumu'ah. Alhamdulillah, the best day of the week. And Sheikh, how are you feeling today?
Alhamdulillah. You know what? Being in Norway, it's always a good feeling. And mashallah, the breakfast has been really good. Hotel's been lovely, mashallah. Feeling really refreshed and ready for today, mashallah.
MashaAllah. We had a bit of a late one last night. The brothers were sitting here talking and just sharing thoughts and knowledge, alhamdulillah, you know. And yeah, today really looking forward to Jumu'ah. We've got Jumu'ah in the different places, different masjids, right?
That's correct, yeah.
What are you after today?
So today I'm going to be doing the Jumu'ah at the Islamic Cultural Centre of Norway.
ICC, right?
ICC, that's pretty much one of the, if not the biggest mosque of Norway. Mashallah, I usually come there every time I come to Norway. And then we have Qari Mikhail, who will be going to Medina Institute with yourself.
Sure.
Qari Ilyas is going to be doing at Rabita Masjid, and Shaykh Hassan at Islam Centre, mashallah. So yeah, we've got 4 programs today for Jumu'ah, inshallah.
Inshallah. What's going to be your topic today, Jumu'ah?
So I was grappling with this. Initially it was preparing for Ramadan, and I know today is Valentine's Day as well. I always like to keep the khutbah relevant to what's happening today. So what I might do, I'm going to talk about preparing for Ramadan, but with a twist. So loving people and loving the Qur'an, and sort of talking about the word love and how that disseminates from a perspective of Deen. So how we can build a love for the Qur'an, build a love for Islam, and also, you know, there's pretty much kind of like reminding ourselves that look, every day is Valentine's Day, every day is Mother's Day, Father's Day. You know, we don't need to celebrate our mothers or fathers this particular day. Even when it comes to our birthdays, you know, alhamdulillah, every day is a blessing from Allah.
Absolutely.
So just maybe touching upon that, but primarily the khutbah we focused on, just to summarize, loving Allah, loving the Qur'an, and I'll be sharing 5 tips preparing for Ramadan, inshallah.
Inshallah, looking forward to those tips.
Inshallah.
And it just reminds me of how us Muslims, we see certain things as not singling out specific days, and that kind of signifies where we think of a day and maybe forget about the other days. Like you said, every day is a celebration. Every day is about giving, right?
Of course.
So Islam, obviously, there's some innovation that come in where some of the times what happens is people find different days, and especially regarding the cultures of others, i.e. the Western culture that we spoke about just now. You know, these are the days where it just isn't a special day.
No,
every day is a special day, like you said. We're really looking forward to the Jumu'ah. I'm really looking forward to it, going with Sheikh Mikhail. And yeah, I'm just looking just over my shoulder. Lots of snow, lots of ice. So yeah, that's why I've got this hat on. So inshallah, see you guys soon.
Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalam.